What is up, guys? I just want to do a quick update on this trimaran here. Real quick, if you guys can subscribe, that'd be great. You'll get notifications for this and for other jobs as they continue. Most of these are done in segments. So, got my platform on here. Most of my cuts that I'm gonna keep are already made. Got all this ground out and smoothed out enough so I can put fiber over everything, or over all the legs anyways, all on this and on this, on those supports. I'm not sure if I'm gonna close this off or not. This is kind of what I've been debating. The purpose of this strip here is just to kind of bring the boat or give it some up force if the boat should nosedive. And I'm thinking that these holes here might actually give the water some room to escape. You know what I mean? Just a thought. So, in any case, I've got all these bonded and ready for fiber, which I'm going to do today. And I'm also thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this up as well, this area here, and that will give the front of the boat some added buoyancy as well, because that'll close off the whole nose. So I might do that before I go ahead and glass this all, but I've got all my fiber cut and ready to go, so I'm thinking I might as well just go ahead and do it, and I'll spend another day on just that one section. And I still got to cut. This here is not going to stay a square. I've got to kind of round this up and angle it up to the center there. The coat is on here. It's got the curve. So I'm going to throw a curve in like that. So I'll probably just do that all at the same time. I'll cut this and cut the pieces that I need to fill the back of it, and kind of glass and bond all that together is what I'm thinking. So today I'll focus on bonding this together here, and I'll get around the edges and whatnot all together. And I've got all my edges here rounded off. So basically gonna lay fiber right down, all the way down to the bottom here on the inside. So I'll do that all in one shot, and then I guess tomorrow I can focus on this edge. And I can gel coat that in one shot is what I'm kind of thinking. Once this is dry, I can gel coat it and gel coat all this, gel coat the bottom, all in one shot. And there's little spots here and there. I might just go ahead and give this a quick rinse in sand. Just go ahead and gel coat the whole thing. There's going to be enough gel coat, so give it a fresh coat, whitewash it, kind of thing. So that's it pretty much for this. Oh shit. And oh yeah, and whatever, these are glass, I could add a little filler. Not too much. A little bit of filler, sand, and spray those with a gel coat too. No big deal. Other than that, everything is pretty much going as it is planned. Thanks again for watching. If you made it this far, you made it pretty far. Again, go ahead and subscribe. You get notifications for this and for other projects we have moving on. Thanks again for watching.